My name is Kai Pox. I'm a freshman at Fontbonne University pursuing my bachelor's degree in wrestling on their women's team.
My name is Chad Williams, and I'm a recent graduate of Buffalo State College, class of 2020, and I'm from Brooklyn, New York.
My name is Deja Cloud, and I go to Queensborough College, and I am a freshman.
My name is Yusuf Nouri. I'm a student at Hunter College and currently work in the operations department at Varonis.
My name is Suleiman Ba. I'm 15 years old. I'm a sophomore in high school. I go to the Kieski School, which is a boarding school in Pennsylvania. I wrestle. I've been wrestling with Beat the Streets, which is a non-profit organization.
Born and raised in New York City, I went to high school here, and by wrestling during high school, I was introduced to this non-profit organization called Beat the Streets.
I founded Varonis through an opportunity that my wrestling club back in high school, Beat the Streets in New York, was offering.
I was fortunate enough to cross paths with Varonis about 3 years ago when I was a junior in high school. At the time, I was a member of the non-for-profit Beat the Streets, which specializes in introducing inner city kids to the sport of wrestling.
Being a part of the Varonis program has opened up a job opportunity for me to possibly work at Varonis, 1, and 2, the places that we go to like NASDAQ.
It was me and 4 other wrestlers. We were offered a summer internship to work for Varonis. And it was crazy because Varonis, they were like one of those huge buildings downtown, and like we usually would never get the chance to step into one of those huge buildings because we didn't know anybody there, or we weren't connected to anybody there, and we had no business there. But to step into one of those buildings, we seen it as like a dream come true, and to actually like work and have like an ID to go into one of those buildings, it was just crazy.
Beat the Streets provides opportunities to kids across the 5 boroughs to wrestle and gain some enrichment. Enrichment opportunities include internships, SAT prep, Regents help, tutoring.
Varonis collaborated with Beat the Streets to offer their student athletes a 5-week corporate rotational program in which the students would shadow the HR, IT, marketing, finance, and sales departments of Varonis.
I would say that being a part of the program has put me above some kids that hasn't yet learned anything about financials or certain life skills that they don't get in school.
I started out getting tutored by Shai from Varonis because Coach Emma from Beat the Streets, I was asking about math tutors, and I just thought it would be a nice way to get ahead of my pre-calc class that I was going to come take in high school.
So we were learning how to properly prepare and ace an interview to how to properly secure our computer from hackers.
We were offered another program with Varonis to learn some financial literacy. We were shown budgets, how to use formulas to make Excel use easier, and given anecdotals to help understand a bit about credit. The financial literacy unit helped me recently apply for my first credit card and know how to build my credit.
This was the first Varonis offered program that I participated in. The second being a financial skills course, which emphasized the importance of saving, living below your means, and encouraged participation in the stock market. It was this course that taught me basic financial literacy.
After the Varonis program, I was able to think about other programs that were given like outside of school and looking for like college.
I was grateful enough to be able to intern as a recruiter. This allowed me to experience a part of what a recruiter does day to day, and also showed me a different workplace environment full of planking, laughs, and a bunch of knowledge.
Since I started taking it, I do feel that I've excelled ahead of a lot of other students. My grades also reflect the tutoring sessions.
Fast forward to 2020 now, and I now have my own business. And Varonis, they caught wind of me starting a business, and they offered me a marketing internship within their department to help me gain knowledge and experience to help with my business.
These Varonis offered programs and internships have had a profound influence over my life.
Varonis has become like a family to me. Not only did they provide us with those wonderful internships and experiences, they still keep in contact with all of the kids that have gone through those programs.
Having the opportunity to have like a free tutor is something that I would most likely not be able to afford or have, and it's just like, it means a lot, and I'm very thankful for the opportunity. I'm thankful for Beat the Streets. I'm thankful for Varonis for even supplying it, and thank you. Happy holidays.